Hey there, Dave Gardner here, and in this video we're going to talk about how to get your MemoryPlace banners so that you can add them to your blogs, websites, or to share the correct code with someone else who's going to do that if you're doing paid traffic. And so inside the reseller tools section of your MemoryPlace account under banners, there is a slew of banners to choose from all different sizes and shapes. And what I'm going to do and what we need to do, you can actually click on any picture to see what it looks like. Obviously, this is a smaller one, 120 by 200, but then we get some really, really big ones down here that are enormous. So depending on how big of a space you want to have and take up, you can give a bigger ad or bigger banner. And so what we're really looking for, let's say we're doing this one right here, and collect event photos and videos that your guests take with just one click. We got weddings, parties, celebrations, whatever. So if we want to do that one, all we have to do is scroll all the way over to this last little circle where it says copy code, and all you have to do is click copy code. Now, this is the development account, so this is under another username. I'm going to go into my actual account, and we're going to get over here, minimize that, we don't need to see that. I'm going to go into my account, and so if you are in Now Lifestyle and you have upgraded to MemoryPlace and Now Lifestyle, this is where you're going to find it as well. Click the MemoryPlace tab underneath and they have your banners. There's the same banners, okay? There's the same group of banners. If we scroll down, this is basically the same one we just saw, but this one is going to be tagged to me. So for example, you see there's my username, Dave Gardner. Now I've created a blog post, and this blog post is about using social networks and improving your social media marketing. And so I want to put a banner or something in there before I have like my end stuff. And so I can add code. And so if we go back over to this, I have like a horizontal space would probably fit better. So I want to look for some of these ads that are a little more horizontal. And so we have different sizes. Maybe I want something bigger so it takes up more of the frame instead of just some little thing that's kind of hidden. And so the best ones are these ones right here if you want horizontal. So if we look at this, we have a couple different options. Everyone has a story, why not capture it all? Creating priceless memories. Priceless memories, everyone has an eye for your creations. And then receive all photos and videos that your guests take in a snap. And so regardless of which one I use, I just want to show you the process. And so if we click, again, that outside last circle is the code. It just copied it to the clipboard. If I go to my website and I want to add a short code, I can add HTML or code. Now, all I have to do, notice this is just Greek. And if I erase that and then I paste the code, this was the code that I just copied from the other page. On the inside of my website, because I'm inside my members area and inside my dashboard of the blog in the admin area, I don't see anything. What I want to do is I'm going to save this post because I just added it, so I want to update it. And when we actually go to preview the page, this is where we will see the actual banner. So if I scroll down, there's that same image, and there we go. So there's my MemoryPlace banner. Now notice down at the bottom corner, it's a link to the parent company, but when you link it and you actually click it, if I click this link and it's going to redirect, notice it redirects to MemoryPlace. And then at the very end, it has my ID equals Dave Gardner. And so it's actually tagging it to me, and the other one would have tagged it to that memory dev and another username. So make sure when you set them up, go through and click on the link and check it and make sure that everything looks legit so that you can actually get going through there and make sure that it's connected to you. So if we scroll down and let's say someone clicks on that banner and says, oh, this is so cool, I want to buy it, and then they purchase, when they scroll down at the very bottom, they should see that it's also referred by me. So that's another cool benefit that they can actually tell and they know and they can verify that that sign up is affiliated or linked to that person, especially if you want to do some tracking in it, or if someone comes to your website and they're trying to figure out what's the easiest way to join you on your team or to basically purchase the product. Say, you go to my website and just say, just click the banner, just click the big image that, the banner that says, MemoryPlace, then those are going to redirect to you. So again, to quickly show you that, all we did was clicked on this and it automatically copied it. It doesn't even pop up, it just copies it. And then you're going to change that. So just to show you the difference, and like I said, make sure we're on the right post here. I don't see it, but there's my script, okay? And there's a couple different numbers, you know, right in here, like 7303. If you remember that 303 and then 368, so remember 303 and 368. If we go and take a different one, let's say I copy this one now, and then we go back and I paste the whole thing. So remember, 303 and 368, notice the 303 stays the same, but 364 is what changed. So this is the banner. This must be the different banner number. These are the ones that are likely linking it to me, okay? And then this one is showing it which banner to choose from. So if we go and I just change that, I got to save it again. And so when we go to that page, or if I go to my page, I got to close that. When I go to my page now, we're going to preview it again. It's going to open up in a new window. And we're going to scroll down. People have read the thing. And notice there is the different banner. So like I said, if they click that banner again, notice they come to the new page. And here we go. There is my username at the very end. So that is another cool feature with MemoryPlace, is that we have banners that are already ready for multiple different, you know, niches and ideas and different designs and styles and sizes. And you can share them with people. You can put them on, you know, your own website or your blog, or you could just go like this. And let's say you want to use this in advertising and social media. You could click the picture, and then you can just right click, and then you could save that image as, and you can actually download that image. The only warning and thing that I would have to say against that is that if people see an image that actually has the name of the website, then they're more apt to possibly type in that website by themselves, and then you would not get credit for it if they went to another tab and just typed it in. So you could possibly edit it. You know, you could do this and then crop the top off, or, you know, do this and, you know, crop the bottom part. Once they get into different designs, it's going to be a little bit harder, but you could play around with it. The key thing is trying to get those clicks. And the more, you know, vibrant that image is, and the more related to maybe your post, then obviously the better chance someone's going to click through on that. So again, that is how you get your not your tracking links, but that's how you get your code for your banners, to put your banners on things like your blogs, your websites, so on and so forth. Make sure you click below on the link so you can actually try out MemoryPlace yourself. You can actually try it out for free, and be sure to subscribe to my channel, of course, because there's a lot of videos on here, specifically even just about MemoryPlace, but about all different marketing as well. So just scroll through my YouTube channel and you'll see all the other big main ideas to help you grow with your MemoryPlace account right now. Thanks.